Let me tell you something interesting about Bisio people of Equatorial Guinea. Something many people don't know. They are known for one thing, their deep knowledge of healing plants in the forest. And this isn't random. It's something their families have practiced for generations. What makes them different is the way they approach the plant. A Bisio healer doesn't just walk into the forest and start cutting leaves. They always pause first. They touch the plant gently and say a quick greeting. To them, every plant has a presence, and you must acknowledge it before taking from it. They know which bark brings down fever, which leaves clean a wound, which root help the body relax. The knowledge is specific, practical, and tested over time. And the most interesting part, none of this is written anywhere. Everything is taught directly from older healers to the younger ones. It's a hands-on learning, and it takes years. So when you hear about the Bisio people, remember this. They are one of a few communities where healing is still deeply connected to nature, not as something mystical, but as something learned, respected, and passed down.